Hello everyone, welcome back to Vanakkam Techie. In this video, we will going to see about Go decision making. How to write if statement, how to write if else statement, how to write nested if else if statement. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and click that bell icon without fail. If you are already familiar with Java or some other languages, you might know about what is if condition, what is if else statement, what is nested if statement and all. But syntax might vary based on language to language. So now I will going to explain you about what is the syntax in Golang. If you want to execute some blocks of statement based on condition, then this is the syntax in Golang. If that condition and opening phrase and blocks of statement and closing brace. If the condition is not satisfied, then you have some other blocks of statement wants to execute. Then this is a syntax in Golang. If else statement. If condition opening phrase and blocks of statement, then else and opening phrase and blocks of statement and closing phrase. If you want to add another condition in the else part, then this is the syntax in Golang. If condition and opening phrase, closing phrase, else, if, and then we have to add condition, opening phrase and closing phrase. If you want to add a nested if, then this is the syntax in Golang. If condition, opening phrase, and inside that if a condition, we have to add another one if statement. After that, we have to add a closing phrase. Let's check it out one by one with our code example. In this program, I have initialized I with the value 10, and then I have added a condition saying that I less than 20. If that value 10 is less than 20, then I am printing log statement value 10 is less than 20. Let me execute this program, then see what will happen. To execute the program, you have to run the command go run scratchpad.go. Yeah, it's saying that value 10 is less than 20. So we can rewrite this two statement in one line. We can initialize the variable and we can add condition within the if statement, like I colon equal to 10 semicolon. So in Golang we no need to add semicolon anywhere, but if we are writing like this, I mean initializing variable and adding condition in the if statement, then we have to add semicolon here. Now saving this program and let me execute this. Yeah, now also it's printing the value 10 is less than 20. Okay, now this is fine. This is example for if statement. Again I am adding else statement, fmd dot println value of I is greater than 20. I am initializing the variable with the value 50. Okay, now this condition will not be satisfied. 50 is not less than 20, so a control will come to else port and it should print this statement. I am saving this program and executing this program by using the command go run scratchpad.go. Yeah, it's saying the value of I is greater than 20. Why? Because we have assigned the value 50. Now we can check else if statement. So how to write it? Else if statement, we have to write if condition and opening brace, closing brace, else. Inside nearby else we have to add if statement. If I greater than 20. So this is the statement. If the I value is greater than 20, we have to print the command value of I is greater than 20. Else we can write is equal to 20. I'm saving this program and executing this program by using the command go run scratchpad.go. Yeah, it's saying that value of I is greater than 20, right? Now I am changing the value from 50 to 20. I am saving it. Now that this condition will not be satisfied because the value is 20 less than 20 is it's not true. Same like that, 20 greater than 20 also not true, so it will not print this statement. So the control will come to else statement and it should print the value value of I is equal to 20. I am saving this program and executing this program. Yeah, value of I is equal to 20. Now we can check how to write nested if statement. I have assigned 30 to that variable I, and I have added a condition I greater than 20. So 30 is greater than 20 absolutely, and control will come inside that if statement, and it will check the condition 30 is less than 50. Yes, of course, that is less than 50. So it should print the value. Uh, it should print the statement value 30 is greater than 20 and less than 50. I'm saving this program and executing the program. Yeah, value 30 is greater than 20 and less than 50. In Golang, we no need to give any open parentheses. Hope I have covered all the details about if else statements in this video. Hope whatever I have shared information is useful to you. Please provide your comments in the comment section without fail, and like this video. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.